Today I am dropping into Wrangle with the Vivo Y400 Pro. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, and we are going to see whether it can walk and talk when it comes to gaming and performance. Hey folks, today we are going to talk about Vivo's latest addition to the Y series smartphone lineup, the Vivo Y400 Pro. This phone might just stir things up in the sub 20k market and compete with the likes of the Nothing Phone 3a and Moto H60 Fusion. Now, at the time of shooting, Vivo has not officially revealed its price, but judging by its specifications, this one should land around 20,000 rupees. At this price, what do you get? For starters, 60 FPS gaming. I have set BGMI to smooth plus extreme graphics settings, and let's fire up a BGMI match. So 15 minutes into BGMI, and here's the scoop. Frame drops are minimal, there's no noticeable lag, and 60 FPS stays rock steady. Okay, so that was our match of BGMI, and according to our stats, BGMI ran 97.3% frame stability. Pretty impressive. But here's the bigger question. Is 60 FPS gaming still good enough in 2025 for a smartphone that might cost you around 20,000 rupees? Honestly, 90 FPS should be the new benchmark at this point. If you are serious about gaming, you will probably crave more. That said, gameplay was smooth and thermals were in check. After the BGMI match, this phone clocked in at just 33.5 degrees Celsius. That's cool, literally. Less heat is equals to less throttling is equals to smoother gameplay. Which brings me to our performance testing. In our 15 minutes test, the Vivo Y400 Pro held steady. And when we ran benchmarks on this phone, the Antutu score came in just shy of 7 lakh points. Better than the Moto H60 Fusion, but not quite enough to beat the Nothing Phone 3a. On Geekbench though, the Vivo Y400 Pro could not beat either of its rivals. So if you are chasing raw power, this one does not top the charts. And to be fair, Vivo is not even pretending that it does. And lastly, if I talk about its battery life, we notice an 8 to 9% drop during a 30-minute BGMI session. This phone is packed with a 5500 mAh battery that supports 90 watt fast charging. We are still testing this phone in depth, but it looks promising. So what's the takeaway? If you want a no compromise gaming beast around 20k, there are better options out there. But if your priorities lean more towards reliable performance, sleek design, and balanced everyday use, the Vivo Y400 Pro ticks a lot of right boxes. So if you think this phone is worth the price, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more such videos. Bye.